Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about Upavishas. Upavishas means sub-poison. So there are sub-poisons. There are 11 sub-poisons are there. So how 11 sub-poisons are there. Vishatinduka bija cha tvahifena cha rejakam datura bija vijaya gunja ballataka ruyaha arka kshiram snohi kshiram langali karavirakam samkyato gunayam to budairupa vishabhidah. So drugs of herbal origin under Upavisha. So these are the herbal origin which are comes under Upavishas. That is Vishatinduka bija, Ahifina, Jaifala, Datura bija, Vijaya, Gunja, Ballataka, Harkas, Nuhikshira, Langali, and another one is Karvera. So there is a trick to remember Upavisha. That is, remember like this is the mnemonic to remember. This is the mnemonic, that is Vaj DVG Basil K. Remember this sentence. V for this is what is that? Vishatinduka bija. A for Ahifena and J for Jaifala and D for Datura and V for Vijaya and G for Gunja. B for Ballataka, A for Arka, S for Snoikshira, L for Longali, and K is Karvera. I will repeat another one time trick. Vaj, DVG, Basil K. Remember this sentence. And V is Vishatinduka bija, A is Ahifena, J is Jaifala, D is Dhatura, Vijaya, Gunja. B for Ballataka, A for Arka, S for Snoikshira, L for Langali, K for Karvera.